SENNA's Wind Pigment Palette lets you express your playful side. These bejeweled duochromes create the most beautiful, surreal beauty. To start, I brighten Loren's skin with our exfoliating cleanser by SENNA Cosmetics. And then to prep the skin for makeup, I applied sculpting eye cream around the eye area because it works under concealer, and sea algae cream for the base. I primed Loren's skin with Silky Primer, and then I added Slipcover Foundation, one of my favorites. For this look, I'm going to start with Violite, and I'm going to be using the number 2 brush. I'm going to pat this on the lid. This color is a duochrome, so it's purple, but it has gold reflecting pigments. And that's what we call the duochrome, because in one light it looks purple, and in another light it will look gold. To sculpt the eye for this look, I'm going to be using Impulse. It is a really super bright color. I'm going to be applying it with the Feather 15, because the Feather 15 creates a very soft application, because I want this look to be really delicate. I'm going to take the color and bring it into the outer corner lightly, just to give a little more dimension. I'm going to continue with Impulse, and I'm going to use the small side of the number 2 brush, and we're going to go underneath the eye. This gives it a very vibrant definition. Now I'm taking Impulse again with the Feather 15 brush, and I'm applying it just to the outer edge of the eye and extending it out. The next shade I'm going to use is Trance. It is a gray pink duochrome. I'm going to take it with the mini feather brush and go in the outer corner. It just gives more dimension. It's very subtle, gives shape to the eye. I'm also going to take it and go into the inner corner of the eye and then go around to the lower lid. Next, I'm going to highlight with Breathless. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous beige illuminating shimmer. So I'm going to use that under the arch of the eyebrow, and I'm going to bring it out. I'm going to put a little bit above the eyebrow. This is a really, really glowy, ethereal look. I'm going to put it down the nose. I'm also going to take it and highlight the cheekbones. I'm just going to use the same brush. I'm just bringing it down onto the cheek area. So next, I want to add something really fun. I'm going to add lashes. So the lashes are on. I completed the look with our brand new Sultry Matte Fixation Lipstick and Star Rose Lip Lacquer. There you have it, the most gorgeous, luscious, pastel, beautiful colors. I really love this look.